Without further ado, let's move on to your question, how to set up a Premiere video. So, you need to select a video to upload first. Then, okay, so for example, let's use this. Wait for it. Input some details on your video, and then we go to visibility. Actually, you can set up any title you want. This is just example, so I choose flower, and then you can put some description, you can add some description, and then you go to visibility, choose visibility, and then set as instant premiere, select your schedule, and then your time. You can change here between AM or PM, it's up to you. So that's it. Thank you for watching.